Okay, this video was taken in the summer of 2006 when we came back from Belgium. We were sailing along Lake Ontario, our familiar haunts. The boat speed was probably about 8 knots, and we were sailing, Diane, Jonathan, and I, on a cloudy day, as you can see. We had the staysail, jib, and mainsail up. We had no reefs in, and it was a good day. We were moving quite along, and as you can expect, there was probably a little bit of rain that came later on. On the uh, on the maintenance side, you can probably see that our Dodger windows are the old windows. Since then, we've changed them, and we have a lot better visibility. Hope you enjoy this short video.